Morning, everyone. I just want to do a little run through of the trades for the day. So throughout the night we had a few trades. We had one really good trade with the Euro Aussie dollar, and in that trade we reached a new equity high. So that's a good sign. We also had some trades in AUD USD and GBP USD, which didn't quite make a profit, but it doesn't matter. We're still on new equity highs for 2012. It takes time to get used to that. So basically, we have two trades in at the moment. The one is Australian dollar, Aussie CAD, so Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So this is one of our great setups. We trade this quite often. Is when we see a reversal at the top. So what we see here is, if I go onto the daily chart, is a clear upwards move, and it's actually quite steep for a currency pair, and it needs to reverse at some point. So what we see here is we see price has created a new high. Just over there, price created a new high, and now it's retracing. So on this retrace, we are taking the trade down. Now, a lot of the time, if you guys have been to some of the Master the Markets courses, when we talk about washouts and market manipulation, a lot of the time they will break a level just to bring it back down, so the market makers would know that this is going to go down, but they want to push it up a little bit more to get a better price, and then they take it down. So what's happened here is price has come down, and we've seen a nice inside day reversal bar. Alright, so let's go into that. So this is the inside day reversal bar that we are seeing here, and this structure here, if you look at the 4 hour, it's a very weak structure in terms of looking to go long. If you were looking to go long on this pair, then it wouldn't have been a good sign, because you've already started your downwards move here, and the upwards trend has already been broken. So if I draw that trend line in there, so there you can see, don't know if it makes much sense, but there you can see, let me just make this a little thicker. Trend line properties. Okay, right, so I wonder if you can see that. So this line is the trend line, has been broken, and now there's another trend line down. And then so on the daily chart, this offered us an early entry opportunity as soon as we saw this inside day bar. So you just put a sell stop below the low of this bar. And that's basically it for this pair. It's nicely in a profit now of about about 0.45% profit at the moment, so we'll see what happens with that. Then we also have a GBP USD trade in at the moment. Now this is basically based on the strength from this trend reversal. So let me zoom out for you. So what we've got here is we've got a trend line there that's been broken, and then it started going down. Right, and then we've got this sort of weak trend line, and then we've got this little mini trend line here. Right, so that's been broken, and price has bounced off that. So you can see price touches, and then breaks that. Let's zoom in a bit more. Alright, so price has broken this, gone up, retraced, and now it's pounded away. So what we were looking for yesterday is we saw this little bar, sorry, not yesterday, a few days ago, we saw this little bar, and it's an inside day bar, and it's normally a good signal, but we weren't entirely sure. We thought it might retrace because of this previous resistance level. As you can see that there, and that's where our stop loss is, by the way. And so then when price confirmed that it's bounced off this trend line with this bar here, we decided that last night, once price retraced again, it gave us an opportunity to actually enter this trade, and for a long, because it's got a lot of potential. It's got a lot of upside potential, and there's a lot of positivity in the market out there at the moment in terms of these other type currencies. So that's it. Those are the two trades that are in at the moment, and that's why we took them. There goes a little bit more analysis goes in behind them, but this is the basic gist of it. Let me know if you have any questions.